guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my updated everyday makeup routine for summer. Right now I'm sitting here looking like Dora, aka a blank canvas with a bob, but I'm going to be changing that. My main goal for summer makeup is just to be lightweight and just simple and easy. Right now it is exactly 12:45. Which means I have 15 minutes to leave for work. Typically my makeup only takes me 10 to 15 minutes. Because I'm explaining it, it might take a little bit longer, but I just want to show you guys how simple and easy this makeup is. So like I said, my main priority for summer is lightweight. I'm going to be concealing the main areas that need to be concealed. So just under my eyes, a little on my forehead, a little bit on my nose. I don't like my nose to be too oily. A little on my chin, a little bit on the mustache. Nobody likes to have like heavy foundation and stuff on your skin when it's really hot out, so I'm just using a tinted moisturizer or tinted foundation, whatever it is you call this product, and I'm putting it basically everywhere where I would normally put foundation. I think a really big misconception with tinted foundation is that if you have a lot of acne scarring, you can't use it. That's actually not true. Look at my skin. I'm using it right now. It just is a matter of how you use it. See what I'm talking about? I'm actually going to be taking a little bit more of the tinted moisturizer and putting it above my eyelids and just kind of blending it out. So it has a little bit of a glowiness to it. I don't know if you can really tell on camera, but you can see it in person, but my cheekbones kind of look a little bit shiny, and I haven't put any highlighter or anything. It's just because of the tinted foundation moisturizer. That's what we're gonna call it. For summer, I like to look really, really bronzed, so I'm actually using a foundation and concealer stick as my contour, and I just put a little bit on my nose. And when I say a little bit, I mean a little bit because it spreads a lot. A little on my chin. If you're going out or something, you can put a little bit more to like really define your chin if you want, but cheekbones. And then a lot on the forehead, because as you can see, and then just blend it in. And you can see that really gives an illusion. Am I orange? It's because I got a new camera. Okay, I don't know how to work it, but anyways. Adding cream contour actually really helps for coverage purposes as well, if your tinted moisturizer was not enough. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more, guys. I like it really bronze. This color is actually like a deep brown / red mahogany kind of color, so that's why I keep on saying bronze, not because I think it's gold or anything. That will get blended out more later on. And on my forehead, I like to just spin it in a circle. By the way, I forgot to mention, for my concealer, I use a creaseless concealer. And it actually does prevent creasing, and this is something that you really want in summertime because you know you're sweating and your makeup's going all over the place and you get a lot of like creasing everywhere, so yeah. Now to assist with creasing one step further, I'm actually going to be taking setting powder and just putting it under my eyes. I'm not baking or anything, I'm just really patting it in. And I'm also going to be putting some on my laugh lines. I've actually always had really bad laugh lines. I was literally born with them. I'm not kidding. And does doing this really help them? No, but do I keep still doing it anyways? I do. And oh, I'm gonna put a little on the forehead just to kind of really mattify it and get rid of that forehead creasing. Quick time check, it is now 12:54. We're almost done and we've gone about 10 minutes. Goes to show how quick this makeup routine really is. Now for face powder, I use a mixture of bronzer and blush. So I don't actually use a powder. I just mix them both together like this and put it on my cheeks. I'm not kidding when I say I really want that whole like bronze deep look. Under my chin, and then with the blush that's left over on the brush, I dip it into the bronzer and just go over my forehead. Give that really deep golden kind of look. And then just wipe it over my eyelids, just to kind of give everyone, just to kind of incorporate the same color all over my face. Speaking of face powder and bronzer and all that, Sephora had one of those promos where you spend a certain amount of money and you get a reward. I spent $35 to get a Charlotte Tilbury face powder. This is what I got. I'm not even kidding. This is what they gave me. So a lot of things in my makeup routine have changed so much, but my brows are pretty much the same. I brush them down. I know I'm different. I brush them down and I use a black and brown pencil together. So I use the black just to really, sorry guys, I have to like really focus. Fill in all the empty spaces. And then I take the brown and I just kind of use it to really just, you know, clean it up, define it, all of that. So now that I'm done filling them in, I'm taking a little bit of the tinted foundation and concealer and putting them together. More foundation than concealer because I don't want it to be too highlighted or bright under my eyebrows. And I'm just gonna clean them up. That's it. Remember, I want everything to look natural. You know how people always look at some celebrities and be like, oh my gosh, she's a natural beauty, she wears no makeup, but they're wearing makeup. Just using this flat foundation brush to just blend it out. And then I'm going to use a little bit of brow gel just in the center and just brush them up. So everything I brush down, but then the center, I'm kind of bringing it up a little bit. Almost done. Hey Siri, what time is it?
It's 12:59.
Thank you. I have 1 minute to go. I'm doing pretty well considering I'm literally sitting and talking and explaining everything. I'm going to take a little bit of this Bobbi Brown, what is this? It's a cream eyeshadow, but it's metallic, so I'm using it as a highlighter for my nose. And then I'm just taking a little bit and putting it under my brows and blending it with my finger. A little bit in the corners of my eyes. For eyeshadow, I'm just using my everyday eyeshadow palette. It's just really simple. You can see it's like completely falling apart, but it has the colors I love. So I'm using a little bit of this peach color, which is perfect for summer, very light. And I'm just putting a little bit over my eyelid. I'm keeping it very low, just actually on the lid. I don't want it to go up to my eyebrows because then it's gonna get a little bit too dramatic. And just cleaning it up. Now mascara. I found this mascara on TikTok and I've been obsessed with it ever since. We are literally inseparable. I'm using this mascara. Oh, it's the L'Oreal Telescopic. The one that went viral for making your eyelashes look longer. It actually works. I don't really use eyeliner, so I just use my eyeshadow to line my eyes. And I'm going to take some of this dark brown and then mix a little bit of the peach in with it too. Last and definitely not least, lips. I like to just use this lip highlighter. It's by NARS. Fun fact, I thought NARS was actually short for narcissist. It's not, it's just the last name of the person who created the product. So I'm using this NARS lip highlighter. It's just like a very light, almost like a metallic gloss. I really like it. It's just very simple. And if I do want a little bit of extra oomph, like some color or something, I just use a little bit of this Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Intense. Pillow Talk 3 Intense because there are like different ones. I think this is the darkest. That's it for my makeup. I'm gonna quickly get my hair together and then I'll show you how it all comes together. And this is my finished look. I just added some beach waves to my hair to add to that already natural kind of I didn't try too hard look. But this is the finished look and I'm really happy with how it turned out. My favorite part about this look is just how effortless it is and how much time it saves. Key to summer, just be light, natural, and simple. I really hope you guys like this video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like this video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys. I'm officially late for work, so I gotta go.